King got the hammer in the king 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 got the hammer king 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 got the hammer in the ring king 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 got the hammer king I ain't got the chain sticks put it in my punches to pop pop pop.
Hey sexy Lexy babes, and welcome back to another video. So in today's video, I'm actually going to be doing an updated look at my office, my business space, and I'm also going to be packaging a few orders. This video was requested by a few of my sexy Lexy babes, so I decided why not to do it today. I actually got my 600 order today, which I'm so excited and grateful about. And the person who was my 600th order, her name is Jasmine Blunt. So thank you so much, Miss Jasmine, for being my 600th person to order from my online store. I'm so grateful for everybody who has shopped with me. Y'all have no idea. Like, this has always been my dream to run my own business and be my own boss. So words can't even express the gratitude and the excitement that I feel. But again, I'm just so thankful for all of y'all. So we're gonna start by, I'm just gonna give you guys a quick little view of my office. It's super cute, I love it. And I'm so blessed to be able to have this room and be able to fit all of my inventory in here. I'm just thankful to my mom for letting me use this room for my business room. So let me show you guys that, and then we'll get into packaging orders. So this is where I film all of my TikTok videos. So every time you see a TikTok video, most likely I was in this spot. So here's where I store all of my bubble mailers, which include the small ones, the medium-sized ones, and the big, huge ones, the black ones, as you can see. Flavoring oils and my pigments, micro pigment powders. I also have some lash books and some lash containers, headbands and accessories, and men's sunglasses. And here I have some more bubble mailers because I accidentally signed up for that subscribe and save on Amazon, so they keep sending me more bubble mailers even if I do not need them. And I also have my Hard Eyes for You sunglasses here with all the different colors. That's my little tripod that I use for filming. And I have some more sunglasses here and my bird of the year anklets. And then here's my ring light that I use to film every day. I have it right here by my white curtain because sometimes I like to take pictures right here and it looks really good and clean. And here's some examples of a few pictures that I took in the same exact spot. So here's just some extra boxes that I bought. A waste of money because I have not used them. But I have some really cute chip bags that somebody sent me. I freaking love those and I don't want to open them. So that's why I still have them, because I want to keep them for memories. And then there's also some Get Sucker gloss base there. And then just some lashes and a few extra lip scrub containers. I normally keep my wand tubes here, my pink wand tubes. And then I have some Easter egg bundles still available. I have some eyeshadow palettes. And I have some setting spray bottles and some aloe vera juice here. And I just use this white poster board thingy to take outside when I want to take pictures outside, have a nice white clean background. At this station we have my regular printer, my label printer, my scale. I have extra bubble mailers, some stickers, my logo stickers, things that I put on my packages, and then in these boxes are just glosses and lashes. And here is where the magic happens. Here is where I record all of my YouTube videos. And now here's a mini grain tour of my entire office. Not much has changed. I just wanted to do an updated video because a lot of my sexy Lexy babes were requesting this video, and I just wanted to basically do an updated version of the old one. guys can see, I only had a few orders to package. So I want you to know that I don't get like hundreds of orders every day. I'm not at that point yet. I can't wait until I am. But I just wanted to package a few orders that I had today and show you guys how I package my orders because some people were interested in seeing that. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe if you would love to. I love you guys always. I'm so grateful for each and every one of you, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.
King King got the hammer in the King 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 win. King King win. King King got the hammer. King King win. Got the hammer in the ring.